Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I am explaining you how to get sublists with slicing. Okay, so how to use the concept of slicing on a list in Python. Okay, so let's get started. So already in my last video, you have seen what is an index. So what's the importance of an index in a list? Okay. So you can get a single value from an index, using index in a list. Okay. So what if you want multiple values from a list? Okay. We go for slicing concept. Okay. See, slice can get several values from a list in the form of a new list. Okay. What is that? Okay, but before that, with an example, we can see all the statements practically. But what is the syntax for slicing? How the slicing can happen? So see here, the slice is typed between a square brackets, very important, like an index, but it has two integers separated by a colon. Okay, what is this? Okay, let's see with an example. Let's get started here. So there is an example. So if you type spam of 2, for example, there's an example here. So you have spam is equal to CSE, ECE, ISE, triple E. Consider this a list, and index for each and every item is, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Okay, so these are index. Now so if I want ISC as my output, okay, if I want to take this data out from the list, I give spam of 2, so you will get ISC as your result. Okay, you have to execute all this. Now same way, spam of 1 is to 4, that means 1:4 means, for example, from this list I want only these two content items from the list. I don't want these two other data. So it is possible using slicing. How we'll slice a mango or pineapple, apple, how we'll cut the fruits. Cut the list, that is slicing. Understood? So now, how to cut the list? Use slicing concept. Span of, what is the index for the, you want CSE and ECE, right? As your output. You want from index 0 to index 1. Okay. So if you type this, then now here it is somewhat different. Let me take a good example for this. Spam of 1 is to 4. Okay. 1 shows where the slice starts, and the second number says where the slice ends. Okay, let me explain this first, then I'll go back to the previous slide. So see here, note a slice goes up to, but it will not include the value at the second index. Okay, this is very important. Okay, so example, see here, if you want if you apply spam of 0 is to 4, that means this is 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index. Okay, so if you give 0 to 4, that means, so because why I am giving 4, so in the last point I said slice goes up to, but it will not include the value at the second index. That means, so 0 to 4 indicates 0, 1, 2, 3. That means your output will be cat, bat, rat, elephant. So if you give 1 to 3, okay. So can you guess what will be the output? Can you guess? The slicing starts at 1, it goes to 2, whether it goes to 3. Even elephant will be in the list or not. It is not, because 1 to 3 indicates include index 1, index 2, but not 3. Okay, so go up to, that's it, but you should not include 3. That means your output here will be bat and rat. Okay, so see here, bat, rat. So you can also can have negative index like this, a combination of positive and negative. See here, 0 is, okay, fine, this is 0. What is minus 1 here? Minus 1 is, see, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. The last item will be minus 1. So now, let's see, can you guess what is the output for the last one? Can you guess what's the output for the last one? Yes? Yeah, few answered it right. The answer is cat, bat, rat. Why, ma'am? Why can't elephant? Why elephant is not included? It will not include because minus 1 is not the part of this. Go up to minus 1, but don't include the item of minus 1. It means that. Okay? So back to the previous example now where I have stopped here. Okay, if you want CSE and ECE here, so if I give 0 to 1, so it is wrong. Instead of 0, 1, you have to give 0 and 2. Because if you give, start from index 0, go up to 2 but not include 2. Okay, that means your output will be CSE, ECE. So you will get this as your output. Okay, 0 to 2. So guys, this is very important for your exam. Okay. So this is getting lists with sublists. So I have some different examples here. So let me see the types of slicing here. 0, 1, 2, 3. So see here, spam of, there's nothing left hand side, but there's something right hand side. There's some number. So if there's nothing in the left hand side, that means start with 0. By default, it will take it as 0. That means 0 to 2. So 0 to 2 means it takes index 0 and index 1. These two are the outputs. So spam, there is 1 here and there is nothing after this. What does it mean? So it means you start slicing with 1 from 1 and till the end of the list you slice. Yes, very good example here. There's nothing left and right. Only in between there is a colon. That means slice everything, include everything. Start from index 0 till the end index. Okay. So, yeah, if you want to find out the length of a list, use this one, LEN. So, see, guys, see here. So spam, cat, dog, moose. So if I give length of spam, if I use this, okay, there's an inbuilt function. If I use length of spam, it gives 3 because the list length is 3. Okay. So with this, today you have learned, in this video you have learned how to slice a list and negative index and how to find out the length of the list. Okay. So I think this video is helpful for your VTU exam. Okay. So thank you and please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.